What's up, guys? Welcome to the Minecraft SMP, aka the average SMP. So, I am trying to not get crashed in this game because my phone is low budget. I know, right? Yeah. SMPs are really like OP when it comes to doing things. Let me just properly align my face cam. Okay, there you go. So, as we know, I am a small content creator that loves filming. So, you guys know this is I'm not gonna lie, I kinda like McDonald's, but not for now. This server is OP. As you could guys see, I already worked up a little. But I want you guys to see on what we are doing in this part of the year. I did cheat, so I have creative. But the admins don't know me. Because they are not connected to the server. This is actually legit multiplayer. This game has multiplayer. Wow. For the first time. I don't want it to be that blocked down. I want it to be a fishing port. Oh my god. There. So there's gonna be some alignment here. We are gonna make this as cool as possible. If you guys are asking, how is this flying? Minecraft physics. Minecraft physics, I tell you. This Minecraft physics is just absolutely weird. And also, I did use creative to get OP items, so yeah. Casual hacker, your average hacker. So, oh yeah, the lights are open. So we are doing fancy. Oh my god. Why can I order? So as you know, me not good at building. Just look at that house. It looks like one of those 2016 builds. Not gonna lie, those 2016 builds are cool as well. Oh my god, it doesn't have a roof. Oh no. Oh my god, it's raining. Oh no. Like, it's not raining in Minecraft, it's raining in real life. As you guys know, I'm in Philippines, so raining is a lot more common in here. But yeah, that's the owner's house. Oh my god, I'm lagging. Okay, there we go. I'll make you a tour on the Colosseum. So this is where the owner stands. This is where the fight starts. And I didn't decorate that much of it because I made that. And oh my god. I'll be back, guys. I'll be back. Hello once again. So there's some technical issues with this. I hope you don't mind. My storage is kinda high just because I film videos. And yeah, we hit 100 videos. It's a milestone for me just to get 100 videos completed. Thank you guys. It really helps. For all of you that subscribe, you are the goal. Even if you're not subscribed, you're still the goal. Everyone in the average, and so everyone that looks at my videos just for a second or anything like that, you are a gold. Even if you don't look at my videos, you are still a nice person. It doesn't mean you're a friend. So, we're loading back. This is not gonna be a short video, but I hope it doesn't crash or not, or else we would have to play something. We're already 5 minutes in. Oh my god. Screen recording takes so much of my storage. But I guess it's fine. I just want to continue this, bro. I want to continue this so bad. Finally. Oh, what did I place? Oh my god, an extra. Look at this little fountain. Oh my god, I'm lagging always. This is why I don't recommend you having many storage downloading this game. It gives you the pain of your nutcrackers. Let us go to... What is this, bro? Okay, that's the end of the video. I'm getting annoyed so much because it always crashes. So that's gonna be it. See you.